Pigeon. Pigeon means
कबूतर,
peacock. Peacock means
मोर,
peahen. Peahen means
मोरनी,
parrot. Parrot means
तोता, मैना, मैना,
means
मैना,
crow. Crow means
कौवा,
sparrow. Sparrow means
गौरैया,
cuckoo. Cuckoo means
कोयल, कोयल, कोयल,
means
कोयल,
drongo. Drongo means
भुजंग,
drongo. Drongo means
कोतवाल,
dove. Dove means
फाख्ता,
dove. Dove means
पड़की,
dove. Dove means
सफेद कबूतर,
cock. Cock means
मुर्गा,
hen. Hen means
मुर्गी,
chick. Chick means
मुर्गी का बच्चा,
duck. Duck means
बतख,
ducklings. Ducklings means
बतख का बच्चा,
drake. Drake means
नर बत्तख,
swan. Swan means
हंस,
cygnet. Cygnet means
हंस का बच्चा,
goose. Goose means
कलहंस,
owl. Owl means
उल्लू, बुलबुल, बुलबुल,
means
बुलबुल,
nightingale. Nightingale means
बुलबुल,
sunbird. Sunbird means
शकरखोरा,
sunbird. Sunbird means sunbird. Robin. Robin means
कलचुरी,
robin. Robin means
रोबिन, पित्ता, पित्ता,
means
नवरंग,
ostrich. Ostrich means
शुतुरमुर्ग,
penguin. Penguin means penguin. Flamingo. Flamingo means
राजहंस,
woodpecker. Woodpecker means
कठफोड़वा,
egret. Egret means
बगुला,
heron. Heron means
बगुला,
wader. Wader means
बगुला,
wading bird. Wading bird means
बगुला,
vulture. Vulture means
गिद्ध,
kite. Kite means
गरुड़,
eagle. Eagle means
चील,
hawk. Hawk means
बाज,
falcon. Falcon means
बाज,
stork. Stork means
सारस,
crane. Crane means
सारस,
ibis. Ibis means
बुज्जा,
cormorant. Cormorant means
जलकाग,
cormorant. Cormorant means
जलकौआ,
kingfisher. Kingfisher means
रामचिरैया,
hummingbird. Hummingbird means
गुंजन पक्षी,
hoopoe. Hoopoe means
हुदहुद,
baya. Baya means
बाया,
Quail. Quail. Means.
बटेर
Swallow. Swallow. Means.
अबाबील
Warbler. Warbler. Means.
फुदकी
Pheasant. Pheasant. Means.
तीतर
Partridge. Partridge. Means.
तीतर
Wagtail. Wagtail. Means.
खंजन
Hornbill. Hornbill. Means.
धनेश
Indian roller. Indian roller. Means.
नीलकंठ
Golden oriole. Golden oriole. Means.
पीलक
Macaw. Macaw. Means.
बहुरंगी तोता
Bat. Bat. Means.
चमगादड़
Lark. Lark. Means.
भारवदाज
Skylark. Skylark. Means.
चातक
Kiwi. Kiwi. Means. Kiwi.
ऑस्प्रे ऑस्प्रे
Means.
मछली मार
Pewit. Pewit. Means.
टिटहरी
Crested bunting. Crested bunting. Means.
तुरेवाला भारीट
Greater cockle. Greater cockle. Means.
महोक
Greater cockle. Greater cockle. Means.
भारद्वाज
Egyptian vulture. Egyptian vulture. Means.
सफेद गिद्ध
Chukar partridge. Chukar partridge. Means.
चकोर